Vince, wait to the camera.
He's busy. Now he has no clue what's going on, just to throw that out there.
Okay, neither do I. So. You ready? Whoa. Back up a little bit. Show him where to stand, man.
You get ready, Vince.
Lean your back and get loose a little bit. Bend your knees a little bit.
Say I got this.
Ready? Whoa, run. Run. Run up this way. Billy, run a third. Over here somewhere. Over here, where I can't stand it. I think they're just hanging out. I'm missing one more.
You got another player here.
Hey, look, you're supposed to be over here somewhere. Come out here. No, I'll let Zach. Now you come up, Zach. Get head out there where Zach was.
All right, Eddie. And third. Come back in. You're going to catch for third? You're going to catch for third base? Come stand out here.
Look at him kicking them shoes up.
Right here.
Woo-hoo. Vincent's getting ready.
Got it? Go ahead. Got it.
He ain't doing nothing. Shut up.
Watch in the band. In the band. All right, Zach. Keep your eye on it, bud. Billy wants you to put that on. Zach, you want to try righty?
This is not fun.
Yeah, he'll get fun. He's going to get a chance to try it out. Oh, he got it. All right. Oh, he's going to make a home run.
Come on, Raymond, you go up.
He's already a bullshit with his friend. He knows him. He knows that kid. He's bullshitting with him.
You're out of control. You are.
Let him stay on third when you get to the run home. Yeah, go back on third. You're going to go home when they hit the ball, okay? Yeah, he ran. Legend was on third. You're going to be first base, okay? You got to catch the ball. Ready?
Vinny, pay attention, Vin.
Watch the game, Vince. Watch. You got to see if you can catch it. Vince, you got to see if you catch that ball.
He ain't got a glove. What's he going to catch it?
Nobody's got a glove. He's not even throwing with a glove. It's for the kids. Soft game. They teach them. It's fun, you know. Vince, watch over here. Watch him how he hits the ball.
Watch for the ball, Vinny.
Come on, Vince. Watch that ball. Oh, he got it.
Get the ball, Vinny.
Get the ball, Vince. Vince, get the ball. He's going to make a home run. Screw it, I'm going to run. Vince, come here a minute. Vince, hurry. Tell him something.
No, leave him there.
Okay. Listen. When he hits the ball, you're on your team. You got to try and catch the ball and hit that, catch him on a base. Okay? So you get back over there, and if the ball comes by you, you catch it. Oh, you got it.
Run.
Hey, that's first base, Vince. You got it.
Good job, Eddie.
Here we go. This is gonna be
Vinny. You hit the ball.
Oh, your turn, Vince. He's being professional. He's a professional now.
He's right-handed, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll hold it for you.
You ready, bud?
Come on, Vince. Let's see what you got.
Right?
Yeah.
Hey,
I
looks
didn't
good.
know. They told me to have a uniform.
Oh, yeah? And then look this way. Keep that mean look.
Boy, he looks good now.
You look mean. You ready?
The other way.
Oh.
Oh, you almost got it.
Watch
You almost
the ball.
got it,
Watch
Vince.
the ball.
Ready?
Hit it, Vince. Almost.
Turn his body a little bit, man. Help him turn his
Hey,
body.
take your time and concentrate, Vince.
Spread your legs a little bit. Spread them out a little bit. There you go. Now you can bend your knees a little bit. Relax. Getting ready? You ready?
Hit it, Vin.
Oh. Try to watch it, Vince.
Square up a
Come
little
on.
bit. Square up. Put the other foot closer. Turn the other way. Turn.
Here comes Mommy, too.
Remember, Vinny? Sideways.
Here comes Mommy. She's going to see you hit the ball.
Sideways. You gotta look that way. Look across and put your feet right. Put your feet.
Sideways, like Mommy taught you. Come on. Sideways. There you go.
See, I'm standing to you, and you're gonna stand that way. You're just gonna look at me.
Hi, Lori.
Ready?
Hey, what kind of shot is that?
Vinny's
Come
first.
on, you ready?
Almost. Getting better.
Come on, Vin.
You're getting real
Watch
close.
it. Watch it, Vin.
Here we go. This is the one. Oh, that was a bad
Almost
one.
got
Bad
it.
one. Come on, you ready?
You're doing it, Vince. You're getting there.
Tomorrow?
Choke up a little bit. Put your hands up a little bit higher on the bat. Maybe the bat is a little bit.
Oh,
Come down a little bit.
Very nice.
Bend your knees a little bit.
Okay.
See your hands? Keep your hands together. Ready for a picture. Ready? Here we go. Oh, I thought you had that one.
All right, Vince. Run. Run. First base. Come on, Vince. Run. 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 Second base. Come on. Keep running, Vince. Make a home run. Come on, Vince. Home run. Come on. Home run. There you go. Woo! He did it. Home run.
Good job.
Boy, give me 5. Vince, you did great. Give me 5. Give me 5. All right.
Go, Vin, go. Go.
All right.
You catch the ball now.
All right, Vince. You did it. Yeah, get on second base.
All right, go ahead. You're going to run over there to third, all right?
Go ahead. Go get it back. You ready? You're going to hit the ball. Oh, one's up. You have one up. Is he going to go? No, he went already.
Vince, when he hits the ball, you run to this base.
Yes.
Vince, when he hits the ball, you run to this base.
Go back in the field, babe.
He's going to hit the ball, and then he's going to run to third base.
And then when the ball comes, switch really hard.
I thought I seen her just pull in before.
Her?
Funny, yeah, she came around the corner.
By Tina's playground there.
Vince, you get ready to run. Vince, pay attention. When he hits the ball, you got to run to this base.
Oh, you showing me where you're supposed to be?
Gotta go to bed.
Wait, you're supposed to be on first base?
What?
Eddie, 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 Eddie.
Where's the ball you in? I think he's gotta go back. Right here.
Run, Vince. Run. Hurry, run to this base. Stop. Stop. Right there. Good deal, Vince. Good deal. This is your team, Vince. Look.
He's on third base. Mommy says she's so close. She'll be here soon. He's the only one in here.
When he hits the ball, Vince, you got to run back to the home base.
Nobody.
Well, some of them maybe. She was showing them the bases when we got here, some of them, and where to run and all. So
You know what? Let's take him over.
maybe they're going to do that now. They will. What?
Where they go?
They're dividing them. One's gonna be the outfield, one's gonna be the... I don't know if he's got that on right.
Hey, he's got it on. I don't know if he's got it on right.
Coach, go ahead. I would switch a little bit.
You go like this?
Vince. Vince, show me your glove. All right.
That's gonna be yours.
I'm not clear.
Couple of have it on.
He'll work that, right?
Well, you better make her proud. When that ball gets hit, you run the home base.
That's not
Oh.
her. He doesn't run.
Oh yeah, he's got.
Vinny, you don't run.
You got to catch the ball. When he runs, Vince, you got to time him out.
You gotta tag him out. Time him out. Yeah, time him out.
And tag where.
Yeah, I moved it. I put it.
Hi, Baghdad.
Yeah, you stand here. When the ball comes by you, Vince, you got to catch it, and then just before he gets to the base to run to the base, you go out like that. You touch the base. Then they'll throw it to you, and you got to tag them out. You get ready. Let me see how you look with that glove on. Say hi to YouTube. Say, hey, YouTubers. Oh.
Sam, catch it now.
She's going to throw it to first base, right?
Catch it, Sam. Good job.
All right. That's your team. You got to say, all right.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you got a nice glove. Let me see it. Look. Oh, that's a beautiful glove. You look professional now, boy, let me tell you. You look like, wait till you see the video. Your nice red socks and your red hat. Oh, he got it. They're going to catch the ball. I think he's going to get a home run. They got to throw you the ball. You got to catch it. Oh, so if you catch it, oh, he's going to make a home run. He's making a home run. Oh, they're making it. Oh, throw the ball. Oh, you got to catch it. Well, see, they hit it in the wrong direction.
Good job, Sam.
Well, if he throws it over this way, you catch that ball. All right? If it comes by you, you catch the ball. That's right. You watch that ball when it hits. If it comes by you, or if one of your teammates catch it, they'll throw you the ball, and you tag them out. You get ready. You gotta go to the bathroom. Now, I'm gonna watch the ball and see if he hits it. That's why you can watch it when you go home. You can practice, right? No, you don't say that. That's not nice.
Watch, Sam. Watch the ball.
Oh, you almost got it that time. Oh, you hit that ball real good before. Yep, you gotta throw it to the pitcher. If it comes this way, you got to tag him out or throw it to the pitcher if he's past you. Well, you almost got it. What's the name of your team? Keensburg Red Sox, right? Oh, you're Angel? The Keensburg Angels, right? Well, you got it. You're going to make a home run with that kind of hit. The ball's way far out there. Woo. If they catch it, they're going to throw you the ball. You've got to run to the bases.
Here it comes, Sam. Get ready. Get ready,
Vince,
Sam.
get ready. If he throws you the ball, you got to catch it.
Use your whole body.
Catch it, Vince. Get it. Get the ball. Oh, go get it. Get it quick.
Get it.
Get it. Throw it to the coach. Well, you even threw it real hard. Holy crow. You got a good throwing arm, let me tell you.
Throw it over here like that. Throw like this. Yeah, that's it.
Let's see if he hits this ball. If he does, you got to do the same thing. You get ready, Vince. Oh, if they throw it to you, Vince, you got to get ready to catch it. They're going to throw it to the other base. Oh, he's going to make a home run. Throw it to Vinny. Throw it to Vinny over here. Get ready to catch it, Vince. Catch that ball. Get that ball, Vince. Holy crow. That's a good hit. They're going to catch it and throw it to you, Vince. Look, he's making the home runs. Look. You can't tag him out. Look. He got it. Home run. The whole thing is, you see how he ran the bases? Yeah, brother's here to see it too. Hey, Matthew. Say hi.
Hi. Vinny's playing baseball.
Yeah, he's playing baseball over there.